Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change the look of your chart and adjust your candles on TradingView. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking for a cleaner, more customized setup, by the end of this video, you'll know how to tweak those chart settings so your workspace is uniquely yours and much easier on your eyes. Let's dive right in. First things first, imagine you're looking at your chart, but those candlesticks just don't pop the way you want them to. Maybe you find them too bright, too dull, or maybe you just want to match your color scheme. No problem, all you need to do is head over to your chart and right-click on it. When you do that, you'll see a menu pop up. What you're looking for next is Settings. Go ahead and click into that. This is the control center for all your chart customization on TradingView. Now, from the Settings window, look for the section called Symbol. Here, you'll see options to change the colors of your candles, both for bullish and bearish candles. This is where you get creative and set up colors that are comfortable for you. Maybe you like to keep bullish candles green and bearish ones red, or perhaps you'd rather go for something more subtle or high contrast, depending on your preferences, or even if you're colorblind and need specific combinations to see more clearly. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. It might take a few tries to land on the exact look you want, but this is totally worth it. Clear visuals make a big difference when you're analyzing fast-moving markets. Alright, once you've got your candle colors dialed in, let's move on to the volume bars at the bottom of your chart. Sometimes, these can be too bold and distracting, drawing your attention away from the actual price action. What we want to do is make them more subtle so your view of the chart remains clean and focused. To change the appearance of the volume, you'll need to access its settings. You can do this in two ways. The quickest is to simply double-click on the volume bars themselves right at the bottom of the chart. Alternatively, you can locate the volume indicator listed on the upper left-hand side, typically right above or near indicators. Either way works, it's all about what feels easier for you. Once you're inside the volume settings, you'll want to switch over to the tab labeled Style. Here, what you're looking for is the opacity slider. Adjusting the opacity lets you make the volume bars more transparent so they fade a bit into the background. Slide it lower if you want them almost invisible, or keep a medium level so you can still glance at volume without it overpowering your candles. Think of it as dimming the lights in a room so you can focus better on what matters most. Now, one last thing, let's say you don't really want standard candles at all. Maybe you like to explore other types, like hollow candles for a clearer representation, or volume candles that reflect trading volume automatically. Switching between these is simple. Just look toward the top of your chart for the little candle icon. Click on it and you'll see a menu drop down with all sorts of options: hollow, Heiken Ashy, line, and more. You can try each one to see which best matches your trading style or what you're analyzing at the moment. Remember, everyone has different preferences here, and there's no right or wrong, just what helps you make sense of the markets. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can completely change the look and feel of your TradingView charts, making your trading environment truly your own. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions or requests you have down in the comments. I always love hearing what you need help with, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.